the time I took out all of the braids. Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are already a part of the family, I'd like to thank you very much. However, for those of you that are not yet a part of the family, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. Today, we are going to do another headband wig tutorial, but we're mixing colors. And it's going to be long and luscious. And I'm going to do something else to it as well. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So without further ado, I will not hold you any longer. So we are going to start at almost ground zero. So here I decided to just start off camera, getting to this point. And I'm using 3 colors from the Spectra brand in color 4, blue and purple. So I'm just crocheting the hair in its loose form, and then I go ahead and braid it together in those medium-sized braids. What I'm doing now is layering a row of the color 4, dark brown, a row of the color purple, and then a row of the color blue. And I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the music, and I will chime in as necessary. And this is the part I was talking about, sectioning off the hair once I've crocheted so far, and braid this loose hair down together into one medium-sized braid. So my first initial thought was this was to do a braid out. So I would crochet only so much loose hair and then get to a certain point and then braid it into these sections that you guys see here on the cap. Little did I know that the results of this braid out Seals. Oh, I was mad. Just keep watching. So I did stop midways to add conditioner from Salon Selectives, Dollar Tree, save your point. Hot water in my water pail and conditioner, and I did not add it, but I swished it around with my hand. So this is when I was completed with everything. I decided to complete it off camera. And we're going to go ahead and head to the next step. So we're going to put this headband wig into this hot water and conditioner mix. And I tried to make sure that it didn't touch the headband. And we're going to let this soak for 20 minutes. And we're going to let you guys get a really good look at this whole entire cap before we take these braids down. I was really struggling a little bit, so I got my glosser spray out. Work smarter, not harder. Yes. So here is where I began to see, after taking down about 2-3 braids, that this braid out was not going to go as I thought it was going to go, which means you have to improvise or walk around with a very undefined braid out. It's not the end of the world. But for me, I knew I was going to have to fix this and re-straighten it back out, which I had in my mind by about this time, or about the time I took out all of the braids. Straightening brush to the rescue. And this is the final result. I will say this. Although the braid out did not come out the way I wanted it to, that straightening brush made everything gravy. Everything gravy. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to make a kinky straight headband wig. And until next time, and until the next video,